Derek here. Got some PLA from Filamentive. It's another company here in the UK. I've already opened up this packaging. They mostly deal with recycling plastics to become filament for us. Thanks. It's a big help. So I've already opened the box, I've had a quick look. They come in these like cardboard recycled spools, which I found really cool due to the fact that it's all recycled material, which is very good. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to throw some time lapses up in a moment, do some testing of this. I'm going to do a benchy, I might do a spiral vase, I don't know. Let's see what comes up. Alright, I'll do it now.
When you want to get off the darkest ground, but gravity pulls you straight down. Earth from a bird's eye view. You should grow feathers and see this too. When you want to get off the darkest ground, but gravity pulls you straight down. When you want to get off the darkest ground, but gravity pulls you straight down. Clear sky. Where am
Hi guys, welcome back. So I've done a few time lapses, which you should have seen just earlier on. Actually, sorry, it wasn't. Was it time lapses? Yeah, time lapses and a couple of videos with a little bit close up. So what I've done is I've done a cat's toy. It's got a little ball in the middle. I've also done calibration cube, the one and only benchy. So I've done that as well, and I've done this vase, whatever you guys want to call it. This came out really well. It had a bit of an issue in the middle, but I think it's a slicing program right at the bottom. For some reason it just didn't do it justice, but other than that it's done it okay. It looks really nice. What can I say? The filament itself is really good. I mean, considering it's 90% recyclable as well, it makes it even better for the environment at the end of the day. All the links to this website and the filament will be down below. I might even be able to get a discount code. If I do, that will also be down below as well for you guys, all my subs out there. But yeah, this filament came out really well. If you want to go to their website, you can even get some free samples, completely free. You don't have to pay for postage. They're quite happy to send out some sample filament to you. Give it a go. I mean, majority of the filament I've been getting hold of recently has been pretty good. A lot better than the very cheap stuff I normally get my hands on. But This is pretty good. I mean, the shine and the shimmer to it is really nice, including on the benchy as well. It does look really nice. I can't say much more really. It was all printed on my Hypercube, which is behind me. Majority of it was done at 215 on the nozzle, 40 on the bed, and that's where I normally get my sweet spot for printing stuff out. Yeah, it's good. What more can I say? I didn't have any hiccups, any problems with the actual filament itself. It came literally within a few days of me requesting it. It came through. The filament is good. Give it a go. If I've got a discount code down below, use it. That's all I can suggest. It is good stuff. Anyway, sorry if I'm a little bit drained. I've been doing a few other videos and stuff, but yeah, give it a go. Like, comment, subscribe, and most of all, be yourself. Alright, see you soon. Bye.